Hello, my name is Charlene Camila Torres Berja. In this video, we are going to talk about the American consonant sound, as in the word think. You can also hear this sound in words like thank, bath, or three. We will use a special phonetic symbol for this sound. Well, let's see how to make the sound. In this sound, everything is concentrated on the lip of the tongue. Open your mouth slick and place the tip of your tongue between your front teeth. Note that the tip of the tongue may touch the bottom of the upper front teeth a bit. Now blow air over the tongue, making noise with frictions. The air stream shall flow between the upper teeth and the tongue. Notice that is a voiceless fricative consonant. That means it is produced by the frictions of the air stream without the voice. Let's try doing it. Now we are going to practice in the few words. Example: thank, left, theme, think, third, thorn, three, throw. Let's talk about the American consonant P. As in the word pie, you can also hear the sounds in words like play, cup, or paper. P is done by blocking the air with your lips. P is a muffled sound. It has a sonorous P. The consonant sound P. As in all stop consonants, aspiration is very important to pronounce the P sound. Now we are going to study how short is made in details. First, press your lips together to block the air in your mouth. Then open your lips and release the air with a strong blow. If you do it correctly, you will hear an explosion of air. Now let's try to pronounce it. P, p, p. Let's practice the following examples. Speak, please, park, paint, point, repeat, paper, spring. American consonant T, as in the word toy. You can also hear the sounds in words like time, cat, stop, or Scott. We will use a special phonetic symbol for this sound. T is one of the 6 sounds in the category of plosive consonants. T is done by blocking air with the tip of the tongue in the alveoli. T is a muffled sound. The consonant sound D has a sonorous pair. Open your mouth slightly and keeping your lips in a neutral positions. Put the lip of your tongue in the sockets behind the upper front teeth. Now block the air with the lip of your tongue and release the air with a light puff. If you do it correctly, you will hear and positions of air. T, t. Let's try making the sound. T, 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 t. Try the following examples. Take, tip, talk, table, ticket, depart, jacket, jet.